Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain self practice 5I after completing 5 years, and I hope you have completed 5 years. And at home also you solve the example number 14, 15, and 16 as it is given adding and subtracting mixed fractions. Adding and subtracting mixed fractions. It is very easy also like that. How you can do? You see, self practice 5I. First A, you see, first A, what is there? 5 and 2 by 3, 5 and 2 by 3 plus 3 and 3 by 4, 3 and 3 by 4. Now you can see the both fractions are mixed fraction or mixed number. How you can do? Firstly, you change this mixed number into improper fraction. So change this 3 5 ja 15, 15 and 2 like that. 3 5 ja means multiply that after that you add together. So 3 5 ja 15, 15 and plus 2 17, 17 by 3. After that 4 3 ja 12, 12 and 3 15, 15 by 4. After that you find out LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4. I have told already, if there are two numbers, one is even and one is odd, so you can multiply together, that will be LCM. So 3 is odd number, 4 is even number. So in this way you can multiply 4 3 are 12. So 12 is the LCM of this number 3 and 4. After that you take that LCM 12 or LCD 12. After that this 12 you divide by 3. 3 4 are 12. 4 times 4, that 4 into 17 numerator. After that plus you divide 12 by 4. 4 3 are 12. 3 times goes, so 3 multiplied with 15. After that 7 multiplied with 5. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 34, 7 3 is 51, and 7 4 is 68 plus 15 3 is 45, total upon 12 you can write. So 17 4 is 68 plus 15 3 is 45 upon 12. After that you can add together 8 5 13, 3 1 carry, and 6 4 10 and 1 11, 113. Again you see 8 5 13, 3 1 carry, and 6 and 4 10, 10 and 1 11, 113 by 12. After that you can divide 113 by 12. So you take 2 digits, so it is 11 only, less than 12. So you can take 3 digits altogether, 3 digits 113. So 12 1 is 12 9s is, you know, 12 9s is 108, and 12 10s is 12 10s is 120. So 9 times it goes. After that 13 minus 8, 13 minus 8, 5. Here 0 and here also 0. So 5. 9 and 5 by 12. You can write 9 and 5 by 12. Check one time. 12 minus 108, 108 and 5, 13, 113 by 12. In this way you can solve the question as first A, first B, first C, first D. You can solve like that. And second A question also you can solve like that also. Only in the place of plus it will be minus, and other process are same. And question number 3 also you can solve together. But first you can solve together 3 also, 4 also, same like to be. So question number 3, firstly convert into improper fraction. After that, doing improper fraction, you can take the LCM of 3, 8 and 6. After doing that, you can equalize the denominator and you can add together. Now you see question number 4. Now you see question number 4. Two and 1 by 2 plus 3 and 3 by 4, 3 and 3 by 4 plus minus 1 and 7 by 8, 1 and 7 by 8, again minus again plus 5 and 2 by 3 plus 5 and 2 by 3. In this 5 and 2 by 3. Firstly, you change all the fractions into improper fraction. How? 2 to the 4 and 1, 5, 5 by 2 plus 4 to the 12, 12 and 3, 15, 15 by 4 minus 8 1 is 8 and 7, 15, 15 by 8 plus 5 to the 15, 15 and 2, 17 by 3. In this way, you can change all the mixed numbers, mixed fractions into improper fraction. After that, you can take LCM. Now, LCM of 2, 4, 8 and 3. You can see in the table of 2, 4 also comes, 8 also comes. So LCM of 2, 4 and 8, it will be 8. After that, now you see LCM of 8 and 3. So 3 is odd number, 8 is even number. You can multiply it together. So 8 3 is 24. So 24 will be LCM. 24 will be LCM. After that, you can take LCM one time here, 24, and you divide 1 by 1 LCM by the denominator. So you divide this 24 by 2, it will come 24 by 2 means 2 12 is 24. 12 times comes, 12 times comes, multiply by numerator 5 plus. After then, you divide 24 by 4, 24 by 4, 4 6 is 24, 4 6 is 24, 6 times goes, so 6 multiply by 15. After that, put minus, you divide 24 by 8, 8 3 is 24, 3 times goes, so 3 into 15. After that, plus here, you apply plus. After that, you divide 24 by 3, 3 8 is 24, 8 times goes, so 8 multiply with 17. After that, you can do like that. 24, 12 5 is 60 plus 15 6 is 15 6 is 90 minus 15 3 is 45 plus 17 8 is 136. So in this way you can multiply, and that result product you can write like that. After that, you see here two methods are there. You can take all the positive numbers like that, 1, 2 and 3, means 60, 90 and 136 together. After adding that, you can subtract minus 45. Like that, you can add together 136, 90 and 60. 6 here and 9, 3, 12, 12 and 6, 18, 8, 1 carry, 1, 1, 1, 2, 286. 286. If you are adding 136, 90 and 60, it is coming 286. So 286 you take like that, and after that minus 45. Minus 45. After that 24 here, denominator. So after that you subtract 45 from 286. 6 minus 5, 1. 8 minus 4, 4 and 2. 241. Here will be 241 by 24. You can see numerator is more than denominator. It means it is in improper fraction. So you change the result improper fraction into mixed number, like that, mixed number, mixed fraction. So you divide 241 by 24. You divide 241 by 24. You can see 24 1 ja 24, 0, 1 here. So 1 is less than 24, you can supply here 10. So 10 and 1 by 24. You can write 10 whole number and 1 by 24. You can see 24 times 240 and plus 1, 241. So in this way you can write 241 upon 24 as 10 and 1 by 24. 10 is the whole number and 1 by 24 is fraction part. After that, you can do question number 5 as solving bracket first, and you can apply that. 5 and 6 both are same. 5 and 6 both are same. So question number 6 I am going to explain. Question number 6 I am going to explain because 5 and 6 both are same. Question number 6, you see 6 and 1 by 5, 6 and 1 by 5 minus in bracket is given 4 and 3 by 10, 4 and 3 by 10 minus 1 and 1 by 2, minus 1 and 1 by 2, bracket close. It is very simple. Firstly, you change all in improper fraction. How? 6 5 are 30 and 131 by 5 minus in bracket 10 4 are 40 and 3 43 by 10 minus 2 1 are 2 and 1 3 3 by 2. After then, firstly you solve the bracket portion. You write 31 by 5 minus LCM of 10 and 2. What will be? 10 and 2, 10. You divide this 10 by 10, it will come 1. 1 multiply by 43 minus 10. You divide 10 by 2 to 5 that 10. 5 comes by 5 times. So 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is. After then, you do 31 by 5 minus 43 was 43. Here you can take rough one. 43 minus 5 3 is 15. You can take minus 13 minus 5. It will come 3 minus 1 2. 28. 28 in the place of 43 1 is 43 and 5 3 is 15. So 43 1 is 43 and 5 3 is 15. You take minus because minus is here. It will come 28. So you can write this whole 28 by 10. 28 by 10. Now at the solving bracket you have 28 by 10. So you find out again LCM 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. After that, you divide this 10 by 5. 5 to the 10, 2 will come. Again 2 multiply by 31 and 10 you apply minus. After that 10 divided by 10, 10 1 is 10, 1 will come. So 1 multiplied by 28. After that, you can write 31 to the 62 minus 28 1 is 28 upon 10. After then, 62 minus 28, 12 minus 8, 4. You can write here and 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3. 34 by 10. 34 by 10 means if you are changing 34 by 10 into mixed number, 10 3 is 30, 3 will come and 4 remainder 4 by 10. So 3 and 4 by 10 is the answer, and 3 and 4 by 10 also you can solve. 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. So in the place of 4 by 10 you can write 2 by 5. So it will be 3 and 2 by 5. So last answer 3 and 2 by 5. Last answer is 3 and 2 by 5. Again you see 31 2 is 62 minus 21 1 is 21, 28 1 is 28. After that 62 minus 28 34, 34 by 10, and you can write 34 by 10 as 3 and 4 by 10. After that 4 by 10 you can change in the lowest term. So 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. So 3 and 2 by 5. 3 and 2 by 5 is the last answer. So in this way you can do. It is very easy. Firstly you solve the bracket portion. After solving bracket portion, you take this bracket, what result has come, 28 by 10 with 31 by 5, and you solve together, like that you can do at last. So in this way, today you complete self-practice exercise 5I, and I will explain tomorrow problem based on the life situation involving fractions. So also you can study at home, and you can study all the examples of the fractions for today's class. Thank you.